I'm gonna post it uh in the Facebook page. It's gonna be there, the recording. Hey, Magdalena and Laurie. And thanks for being here. And I can tell you I'm a little hungry. But since we're talking about the transformation and the detox, I haven't I just had my shake, and I'll tell you in a minute what I have put in there. In the morning I had my shake and I have about 5 super aminos. And then when I when I was back from the mountain, I had a shake and a little bit of salad, and then I detox after that. Uh, I went to the bathroom and I detox. I really detox. I love the feeling, you guys. I just love the feeling. I'm eating a apple, and I had another 5 super aminos. I am myself, I'm going to do it a little different. I am going to have 30 super aminos for 30 days. 30. I know for some people it's like a little bit too much, but I think I need it after all the garbage that I've been eating and drinking. I really need to give my body, my kidneys a really good detox. And that's what we're here for, right? To do a detox. And so what do I put in my shake? In the morning I put darberry, and I do it a little different, okay? I just want to tell you, and I want to hear what you guys did this morning. So I put darberry, the Love Super Meal, uh, and because I make it for Mike and I double the portion, okay? And then I add some mixed berries, mango, papaya, and banana. And then I also add ionic elements, and I add the Pinot Clear. So I had a two big glasses of that, and along with all my capsules, my women's defense, uh, um, as, I'll put a list of everything they take. So that was good. So they got me good until probably 1 o'clock when I started being hungry. So I had my shake, and that's when I did my detox. I went to the bathroom and I detox. Oh my God, big time after that. So I'm having an apple. What am I gonna do for the rest of the day? Have probably like when Michael's having dinner, because he's having regular dinners. When Michael, I'm gonna cook some lentils for him. And FYI, you can eat lentils. We can eat lentils during this detox. So I'm gonna make a red lentil soup with some probably I think he brought me kale. And if I'm hungry, I am gonna eat that. But what usually when I'm doing the cleanse, what I do when I'm cooking, I have a shake with nothing on it, just the power shake, and I drink it. So that way, when Michael sits down for dinner, I'm not starving, and I don't want to eat. And then before the day is over, probably I'm gonna take most likely another 10 super aminos. So in 2 hours, I'll take another 5 super aminos. Before I go to bed, I take another 5 super aminos. When I go to bed, I take a Bio Relax instead of the Apathy Cherry. I take Bio Relax, and that's exactly what I'm having. Michael brought me a lot of cucumbers. I'll show my salads when I make my salad. I do a lot of cucumbers. Um, I love kale, and I love the unavailable to join. Hold on 1 second, because somebody wants to join. The one you gave me a long time ago. Well, that's the line long time ago. Anyway, um, I'll send it to that. But anyway, that's what I'm doing. Uh, and I'm I weighed myself. I gained so much weight, you guys. because I went back to 128. I weighed myself this morning, 128. So my goal is by the end of the 30 days, the very least is to weigh 119, 118, because I don't want to be too skinny. I don't like it. And that's what I'm going to be doing. Okay. So anybody wants to, while I send this, Carolina's here. Okay. You guys want to show up? I want to show you, I usually start with this with showing you guys, video that I really like. My two favorite videos that I have is Ra and Joyce. So I'm gonna show today. I'm gonna show Joyce. And I like it to hear it. You're gonna hear the same information but for different people. Coming the voice from different people, and sometimes that's what we need because everybody says it different. So I encourage you, if you have your video, your transformation video, the ULT video, share it with me so that way I can use it. We have 10 days. And after the 10 days, we're going to meet once a week for like just a check-in call, 15 minutes. Okay? So anybody wants to share to see how you start your transformation today? Turn your unmute yourself. I'm doing it.
Lucy, I have a quick question. So you always do the fruits for your morning drink when you're having the dark berry and the super meal. But when you have the power shake, you have it just straight with water and you don't add any other fruit or anything else. It's just 2 scoops of the power shake.
Um, Yes and no. If I'm very hungry, what I do I find out that it takes the hunger away is I put frozen berries, blueberries in there. But I don't put it in the blender. I just put it in the shaker bottle, add the frozen berries, so that way my brain or my mouth is chewing on something,
Got it.
and it makes me feel like full. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
What I'm sharing with you is how I lost the weight last time.
Beautiful. Perfect.
I,
Thanks.
yes, I want to go back to that, but I don't want to be so skinny. I just want to make sure everybody knows. It was
You're beautiful no matter what you look like, outside
thank
and
you.
inside.
Thank you, Joyce. Anybody else wants to share or have a question? I already have the video here. I'm gonna play the video because, like I said, I'm gonna post this call on the Facebook page, on the private Facebook page. Okay. Okay. Let me see right here.
Lucy, will you be posting this also on YouTube, your YouTube channel?
Yes, I'll post it in there too. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let me see this because okay. So tomorrow, most likely, I'm gonna play Rod's video. Every day is gonna be probably something different, and maybe the following day, Michael will explain about the ULT. It's gonna be a little bit different, so that way we get a variety. Okay. Yeah.
Poison, and I have been working using food as medicine. And it's very powerful to use food in that way. I've been working for the last 11 years with an incredible group of organic superfoods because they are so powerful in giving the body nutrition when there is nutritional deficiency. And they are also very powerful to remove toxins from the body. So I'm going to share with you a protocol that works beautifully. I use it with so many of my clients and I see wonderful results. I'm going to do screen share so that I can show you what I'm talking about. And this is known as the Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation by a company called Purium. And the arrow right now is on the Power Shake. The Power Shake is an incredible combination of different green plants and slow burning carbohydrates that nourish the body for hours. And this can be used to totally nourish the body without pulling on the body's energy systems. Digestion usually takes a lot of energy. So this will give the body a lot of nourishment without the body having to work at breaking the food down. Whenever we have nutrition that's nutrient dense, it allows the body to get nourishment and to have all of its energy to heal and repair itself, to dissolve and eliminate anything toxic, and to refuel itself if there's any nutritional deficiencies. So the Power Shake is an incredible formula for that. It also has it's got high levels of something called adiponectin, which burns fat. It's from rice bran. And then there are non-glutinous alkaline grains that are sprouted, such as quinoa, millet, and amaranth. It's got green foods like wheatgrass and alfalfa, which has roots that grow 70 feet down to the earth, and they nourish us beautifully, very mineral rich. It's wonderful for the liver and for the blood. The next formula is super aminos, and these are the smallest building blocks of protein that go to the muscle in 23 minutes. So it doesn't have to go through digestion the way most food does. And most protein only is utilized anywhere from 30 to 50% at the most. This is utilized almost 100%. This protein was developed for people with muscle wasting from AIDS or cancer or people in comas because they were losing their muscle and they still had to be nourished. It's also a protein that's used by athletes. So it's an amazing formula. People who have a lot of weight to lose who use this find that their flesh remains firm and tight, and it doesn't have that loose kind of elephant skin that people with large weight loss have. So it's a protein that can be used by so many people as part of this Purium Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation. So you've got the Power Shake, which is wonderful for 2 meals a day. You use the super aminos for 2 meals a day. It's got your kind of salad for the Power Shake is the equivalent of having 6 salads when you use it. The third formula is Biomedic. We have a real problem with a toxin called glyphosate these days, and it's sprayed on all our crops. It's sprayed on the grass. Our animals totally absorb this glyphosate. We do, and when we do, it destroys the gastrointestinal tract. So the Biomedic pulls the glyphosate out of the gastrointestinal tract. It heals and repairs the little holes in the gut that the glyphosate makes. So it repairs our gut. It repairs leaky gut syndrome. We have finger-like projections in our small intestine called villi, which help with the absorption of nutrients, but they get destroyed by glyphosate. So Biomedic gives us the nutrients to restore the function of our villi. And it also gives us an abundance of probiotics, which replenish the good bacteria that the glyphosate destroys. And the Biomedic also replenishes minerals in abundance because glyphosate blocks the absorption of minerals. The fourth formula in this Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation Pack is Super Cleanse R. That will pull old waste and parasites out of our gut, out of our large intestine. Everybody has parasites these days. So there's enough in that package during the first 30 days of this Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation Program. There's enough Super Cleanse R to take for 10 days, which will kill the parasites. Then you take 20 days off, and then there's enough in the pack to do another 10 days, which will kill any eggs that the parasites have laid. The fifth formula in this is apothecary. It's known that sour cherry is one of the most powerful high oxidant fruits that doesn't at all affect the blood sugar. It's very safe for the glycemic index. It's also high in natural melatonin, so it provides a very deep sleep. And normally, people who are not in optimal health don't have good sleeps. So, this is a very comprehensive program that addresses every system. Uh, it helps to nourish or detoxify the cells and the organs in our bodies. And it's a wonderful pack. I'm going to stop the screen.
All right. So my suggestion, invite people, invite. And just because we started on the 5th, okay, because a lot of people, let's face it, a lot of people still like on the clouds, like they coming back from traveling, they coming back from partying all the time. I know I'm Latino, I'm Mexican, and guess what? Tomorrow is a big day for us. So we haven't stopped celebrating. So tomorrow is a big day. Okay. So what I personally doing is I'm inviting people to order the kit and just join. Just come in and join. Okay. So any question before I start related to the group transformation or any comments
I
before I
just
start recording?
Yeah, I just want to quickly say I left out the word anti. The apothecary is high in antioxidants. That's very important. I can't believe I did that. You don't want oxidation in your body. You want things in your body to oppose oxidation, which is like rust. When your cells rust, it's like oxidation. So it's an antioxidant.
Thank you. Thank you, Joyce. And can you see this, the way that we're doing this call? So bring people in, okay? So that way tomorrow is going to be a check-in call, like max 30 minutes max. And I'm just going 30 minutes, I think is too much. So invite people, and sometimes we're going to have a naturopath, it's a professional here, they can answer questions. So let's make it fun and invite, and please share this video. If somebody shared this video with you, get to that person, because that person, you still have time, because the whole month we're going to talk about transformation and we're going to guide you, we're going to coach you. So if somebody shared this video with you, get with that person, because that person still has a coupon, I want to call it coupon, for more than $100 off of your ULT. Okay, so I'm going to stop the